Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve something went wrong on CapCut app. To know how to fix or how to solve something went wrong on CapCut app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to CapCut app and you can click. Then this list of app info you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about CapCut. If you'll find here updating this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.